Hello, this is Vijay Rajan, faculty member, School of Electronics Engineering, VIT University, Chennai. So I am going to explain how to create a website using Google Sites. To create a website in Google site, we have to open a Google account, open our Google account. From the Google account, you go to Sites, go to Create Site. It will lead to your new site page. So with the different options here. So this is the main page in which you can give a title, site name and so on. So here if you want to enter the site, then name, you can give name here, say new faculty. So here also same new faculty, the same name will come here. Then title of the page, you can give according to your requirement. So this content can be edited. Title, it is bold. Anything as per your requirement you can enter. If you want to change the image of this main content, you go to change image, select image, select your image according to the requirement, or you can select some image from outside also. So this header type can be adjusted. If it is long, it will be very large, very small. Title means it will be very small in that way. So if you want to change the style of this header, then it can be done in themes. So your style of your header will change accordingly. Simple, diplomat, vision. There also you can change colors and so on. Once it is done, we can include any number of pages in this site. To include pages, you go to this option pages. So main page is home page. You can leave it. If you want to add new pages, then go to educational, qualification, then experience and so on. Similarly, you can add any number of pages. So if you want to add sub pages to different pages, it can also be done. So in educational qualification, if you want to add sub pages, go to add sub page. You enter PhD, PG, UG and so on. This can be done for all pages. Once it is done with, you can go to the content and it can be edited further. Now you come to the main page again. Here we have all tabs which have been kept horizontally. If you want to make changes here, then go to settings. Here you have navigation. Mode is given as top. If you give this as side, then all these will go to side. Educational qualification, everything. But if you don't want to have this, then you can revert. You can revert it. Now come to the main page again. If you want to enter details to this main page, then go to insert. Text can be added by selecting this text box. Looking at VIT University, Chennai, and so on. So text can be added. If you want to add any images, then you can click this, select the images and you can upload it, or you can take images from other sources and it can be inserted. So layout for this site can be selected from these options. Select different options here. Accordingly, you can add content and you can insert images and web pages, so on. So here, once if you want to add any link, then it can be done by using embed. So I want to add my Google Scholar link. So I go to this, copy the link and paste it, then you insert. Once it is inserted, then it can be adjusted to the requirement. Go to next page. Here you can edit details, text or anything can be inserted. Then in sub pages, also you can insert data. Completed PhD in Anna University in the field of image fusion. So similarly details can be entered. Once it is done, then it is to be published. Before publishing, you can go for preview. So starting from the home page, you can view different pages here. Once it is done, then you can go for publish. Before publishing the site, you can share this page with others. For that, you go for this page. So if you want to give editing option to one or more people, suppose if the site is some common site, then it should be edited by all the people who are related to the site. So in that case, that editing option can be given here. If you add mails here, then editing option, they will also become owners. So if you want to limit the viewing options, then it can be done in manage. People added can open this link. You can make VIT University or anything. VIT University people can edit this or restricted. As far as published site is concerned, it is totally public. This is related to editing option, so it is very much restricted. People only added with the link, added, they can edit. Once it is completed, you would close that. Now your website is ready. Then go to publish. If you go to publish, then your website will be published. You can give a name here, publish your site. Here also. Successfully. Is published successfully. We can view this. This is what the site created. This is what the link of your site. If you want to copy the link, link can be copied from the web page. Otherwise, this is another option. Copy published site link. This is what, copy the link, and which can be stored anywhere. So we have so many options in this site creation. So if you explore all these options, you can make very wonderful site which will attract a lot of people. Thank you.